Lithium-ion batteries have revolutionized modern technology, exploring the basic structure and components. During charging, lithium ions move from cathode to anode. When discharging, ions move back, creating an electric current. Anode, cathode, electrolyte and separator play crucial roles. Lithium-ion batteries offer high energy density for portable power. Rechargeability provides environmental benefits and user convenience. Low self-discharge rate allows batteries to retain charge. No memory effect, recharge anytime without capacity loss. Fast charging enables versatile applications across industries. Ongoing research aims to enhance performance and energy density. Lithium-ion batteries power the future of sustainable technology.